What's the meaning of bleak? Bleak. Bleak.
Bleak. Bleak. Bleak can be defined as a word used to describe a situation, place, or feeling that is without hope or optimism, often characterized by a sense of emptiness, desolation, and despair. It can describe a landscape with no signs of life or a future without prosperity. When someone uses the word bleak, they are usually conveying a sense of gloom or a lack of hope in something. Sometimes, it can also mean something that is cold and harsh, like the weather. In any case, when someone describes something as bleak, they are usually implying that things are looking rather grim.